2020, TVPG built 2 multi-camera video production vans with satellite uplinks for shooting sports and concerts in Mozambique. The vans are run by 2 powerful diesel generators. Each van is equipped with 6 Sony HD cameras that connect to the van with SMPTE optical fiber cables. The cameras can be operated in studio configuration or handheld. The electronics for the vans are contained in 2 flypacks, one for video and one for audio. The flypack has a comprehensive input-output access panel on the side. The numerous connectors ensure the flypack can handle any requirement or external source or destination. The vans come with a set of loading ramps that are used to roll the flypacks into the van. The flypacks are securely held in place with quick-set pins. The I/O access panels on the flypack align with the flip-up door on the van. The 150-meter optical camera fiber cables are placed close to the I/O panel and rolled out to the cameras. Once the cables are connected to the cameras, the other end of the cable is connected to the I/O panel on the flypack. External monitors or devices can be fed through the multiple router outputs on the I/O panel. Likewise, external sources or feeds can be connected to the inputs on the I/O panel. Feeds and sends can be SDI, HDMI, or optical fiber. Additional connectors are provided for Internet, Intercom, or IFB. To power up the van, remove the heavy-duty electrical cable from the storage box. Connect it to the generator and connect the other end to the side of the van. To start the generator, turn the ignition switch to the right. Hold down the on button for 5 seconds, then release. There might be a brief delay before the generator motor starts. Power from the generator is routed to several battery backup units located in the flypacks. The backups also provide power stabilization. Inside the van is the power monitoring meters. Lighting inside the van is provided by 12-volt LED lights that run off a separate battery. An electrically operated chauffeur window separates the main cabin from the audio booth in the back of the van. The lights can be turned off individually depending on user preference. Dimmable aircraft-style mood lights along the side of the vehicle are also available. External work lights are included for setting up and striking at night. The first step for using the flypack is to turn on the battery backup. Next, press the monitor lift switch to raise the monitor. When transporting the vehicle or loading and unloading the flypack, it is important to retract the monitor. It is also necessary to power up the camera CCUs one by one to prevent voltage spikes when powering up. The camera remote operation panels are used to match the camera's brightness, contrast, and color balance. The router remote control enables the camera shading technician to call up each camera, monitor the signal on the scope, and match them. Next, the operator turns on the AJA KeyPro Ultra Plus digital video recorder. Once powered up, insert the media. The Ross Carbonite Ultra Switcher is used to cut or dissolve from camera to camera or to the EVS replay system. ROS expression system is installed in the flypack for generating titles and graphics. The title generator is operated from the rear console. The switcher receives the input from the character generator and keys them over the picture as needed. The EVS video server records up to 4 cameras and can play them back in slow motion for instant replay. The timecode generator is easy to program for time of day or program length. The timecode signal is automatically sent to the recorder's EVS and I/O panel. Also included in the flypack is an up-down cross converter with frame sync. This enables the flypack to receive an output signal in whatever format is required. The Clearcom MS704 master station provides 4 channels of intercom. In addition, remote speaker stations are available for other users. The Clearcom MA704 panel is used to queue up the 4 talent members. They can be queued up individually or all at once. Power up the audio flypack by pressing the button on the battery backup. The audio flypack contains the Midas 32 input digital audio mixer. Also included are 4 Sennheiser wireless receivers. Studio quality Genelec speakers are used to monitor the audio mix. A 27-inch monitor enables the audio operator to see all the cameras and what is on program and preview. A Clearcom FreeSpeak 2 multi-channel wireless intercom base station is installed in the audio flypack and integrated to the wired intercom system. A Marshall 4-channel amp with speakers built in and meters is used for audio continuity monitoring. Storage drawers are provided for holding audio accessories and media. The satellite system is on its own battery backup. Turn this on and then press the antenna controller to raise the satellite dish. Once the dish is elevated, it will automatically search and lock onto the correct satellite. AdTech encoders and decoders are provided for converting the SDI signal from the flypack to the satellite dish. When a production is over, the first step is to lower the dish. Once lowered, turn off the satellite backup power. The next step is to lower the flypack monitor. Step 4 is to remove the media from the recorders. Push in the drawer and lock it in place. Turn off each of the camera CCUs. You may now safely turn off power to the flypack. In the audio room, push in the audio mixer drawer and lock it in place. Turn off the audio flypack's battery backup. Disconnect the Cat5 cable to the audio mixer I/O panel and any other external cable going to the mixer. Go outside and lower the audio access panel door and lock it. Disconnect the camera cables from the cameras. Be sure to put the rubber cap back on both the camera and the cable, and then put them back into their cases. Disconnect the camera cable from the I/O panel. Again, be sure to put the rubber caps back on to protect the cable from the dirt. Next, roll up the cables onto their reels, being careful not to tug on it if it gets caught or snagged, as this can damage the cable. Disconnect any other cables from the I/O panel and store them in their proper place. Lower the video access panel and lock it. Turn off the generator by pressing the off button. Remove the power cable from the van and generator. Store the cable in its box on the generator. In the van, make sure the master power switch for the LED lighting system is turned off. Return wired intercom belt packs and headsets to the accessory case. Ensure no items are missing. Return wireless belt packs, headsets, and other free speak components to the wireless accessory case. Lock the van doors. You are now ready to move to your next location. TVPG Sprinter flypacks are used worldwide. In the United States, they are used by all major networks and cable companies. With proper care, the system will last many years, providing the highest quality video programs on Earth. TVPG, from conception to perfection.